Today we're going to do a walkthrough of the Carrot Top Junior cabin here and the bigger Big Bertha 1.0 cabin. We're just going to do a walkthrough video comparing both of them, just so you guys can kind of see the difference between the both. This one here is only $35,000, and I'll take you inside and show you what you get for 35 grand. Okay, this one is a 12 foot by 24 foot with a 6 foot by 24 foot front covered porch. It's got a tin roof, 26 gauge. You got your 4x6 walls with the chinking in between. So this is truly an all wood cabin. It's got your vinyl double pane easy clean windows. Okay. Porch is a generous 6 foot by 24 foot front covered porch. It's got a wood front door on it. You got your wooden shutters. And then this one's kind of got a darker stain to it. They stained it almost like a black, but as the sun hits it, it kind of fades to a dark brown, as you can see, versus those over there got the lighter brown color. Again, when you pick yours, you can pick your color roof you want, pick what color stain you want as well. You go inside, and when you walk inside, you can see we got a ladder that's leading up to a sleeping loft up on that kind of like lofted bedroom area. The ladder's pretty cool because it folds up and out of the way, so that way it doesn't mess with your square footage. And then over here, you have a kitchenette area where we can cut this out, put you a sink over here. You got a spot here for your either your stove or your refrigerator. Most folks with this, they'll put like a little stove over here, refrigerator over there behind the door, put your sink over here. There's all different kinds of ways you can set it up. You can set your living room up over that way if you want, and then there's your sleeping loft. Or if you don't want to deal with the sleeping loft, maybe put your bed over here and use the sleeping loft for guests or extra storage. Like I said, when you want to fold the ladder up and out of the way when you don't want to use it, there's like a little lip here. I don't know if you can see it or not. There's like a little lip, and this is hard to do with my phone, but let's see if I can do it real quick. You push this up, and voila. Now the ladder is up and out of the way. So during the day when you're not up there sleeping, or let's say you're using it for storage, when you don't need it, you just fold it up and out of the way. And now you can utilize this whole 12 foot by 24 foot livable area, okay? And then when it's time to go to bed, just fold down your ladder and voila, off and running. Again, when you order yours, you can kind of customize it the way you want to do it, but this is the way this one's done. You see it's got the gray matter in between the timber. That's called chinking or log jam. That's what seals the cabin. So when you're running your heating in the wintertime, your heat stays in. And when you're running your air conditioner in the summer, your cool air stays in. The windows do have these little ledges on them where you can put you up a curtain, maybe put some little decorations on top. Again, these are built by the Amish and we ship them nationwide. If you order this one just the way it is, it's $35,000. For around $55,000 for this one, it's fully turnkey, move-in ready. And again, this one is a 12 foot by 24 foot Amish built cabin. Okay, these truly are built by the old order Amish. Above the wood paneling up there, you do have some foam board for insulation. And then of course, the wood on the walls has thermal mass. So that's where your insulation is going to come from as far as the walls go. And then beneath here, these beautiful knotty pine floors, what most folks will do is after they run and connect their water, septic, and electric, you can do spray foam or put foam board underneath the home to prevent the cold air and of course any critters from coming up from underneath the cabin. Okay. The way most people will set these cabins up is they will go ahead and put them, you'll have a little slab and then we'll block it up for you 3 to 4 foot off the slab. So let's move on to the next cabin, which is the Big Bertha 1.0. Again, let me turn around and show you one more time what this one looks like from the outside. Again, this is the one we call the Carrot Top Junior, which is a 12-foot by 24-foot livable space cabin with a 6 by 24 front porch. Now, across the ways is the El Chapo. Let's show you that one actually. Well, no, I said I'd show the Big Bertha, so we'll show the El Chapo another time. Basically, the El Chapo, real quick, is just like this one, but instead of it being a 12-foot by 24-foot, this one is a 14 by 40 with a 6-foot by 40-foot front porch. You can do this one as a 1-bed, 1-bath, or a 2-bed, 1-bath. This particular model set up as a 2-bed, 1-bath. As it is $69,000, or you can buy it fully turnkey, move-in ready for $110,000. But again, today we are focusing on going and showing y'all the Big Bertha 1.0 cabin. So again, this one is the 1.0 Big Bertha. It's got a 6-foot by 32-foot front porch. It's a lofted cabin, which means it has 2 lofted bedrooms up on the 2nd floor, connected by a catwalk. This one does have the upgraded screened-in front porch to the left of the front door. Super cool, right? Very popular upgrade. Now this one has the green tin roof, 26 gauge with the matching green shutters. Again, just like the Carrot Top Junior, you got your double pane, easy clean vinyl windows. You got your 4x6 walls with the chinking in between. The size of this is a 6-foot by 32-foot front covered porch. Livable area is 14 by 32, and then of course times 2 because it's a story and a half. Okay, again, these are built by the Amish and we ship them nationwide. Let's take you inside the Big Bertha 1.0. Again, this one as it is $79,000. Get my keys here. Or you can buy it fully turnkey for $110,000. Okay, so that's the Big Bertha 3.0, folded up, ready to ship to a new home. But let's take you inside. Again, there's your screened-in porch. Feels nice and cool in here. You walk in here, and as you can see, you got your back door. You look to the right, living room area over here. Again, double pane windows, lots of natural light coming in because you got, these got the metal doors, so you got window in the door there, window in the door there, and then you have 2, 4, 5 windows here in the living room. Right now we do have a promotion going on where you get this guy here, this wood stove, for free when you purchase a Big Bertha 1.0. It does have 1 cook stove on top, and that's where your wood goes on the bottom. You can always upgrade to the Big Daddy stove here, which has 3 cook stoves and warming oven and a regular oven there. And then of course you got, this is very popular. I call this the Buttercup. You got a couple of cook stoves up there, warming oven, and then your wood burner below. So we're getting into the wood stoves as the winter approaches. And these are super cool too, because again, if the electric goes out, you can still heat your home, you can still cook, and you can still warm things up in the oven and use and bake in the oven, okay? Beautiful stoves, beautiful cabin. Again, that goes upstairs. It does come with your built-in live edge table. You got 4 stools, 2 on each side, with a window right here. Again, let me turn around so you all can see, put my keys down here, so y'all can see the view. Isn't that pretty? Again, this is all handcrafted, hand-built by the Amish, made in USA. Again, if you're a baby boomer or you're a millennial or a Gen Xer, go ahead and comment below. Let me see. I'm always curious who's watching my channel, if it's the young bucks or if it's the OGs like me. So millennial, Gen X, boomer, comment below. I'm always curious to see if we got the young bucks on the show or we got some OGs like me. So comment millennial, Gen X, or boomer below so I know who's watching my show. I appreciate you. All right, we appreciate comments. That's the only way we can grow. Give us some feedback. Okay, underneath the stairs, you got a little storage space underneath there. Nothing's wasted. No space wasted. Here is where on this wall, typically we'll put our 200 amp electrical panel. Some folks actually, if you place this on the basement, this is where your access would be, right, to go down to the basement. But most folks are not putting these on the basement. They're just putting them up on a slab, and we're blocking it up 3 foot off the slab. This room here is typically where you'll put your bathroom, tub, toilet, and sink. Okay, kitchen, your tub, toilet, sink, maybe a cabinet, right, for your bathroom. And then over here is where put you a pantry and stackable or side-by-side washer and dryer. It's typically what folks put over in this room over here. Okay, so it smells really good in here, by the way, y'all. I wish I had smell-o-vision. That pine smells so good. You got a cutout here for your refrigerator. Beautiful Amish built knotty pine kitchen cabinet. You can see what I'm looking at. And then we already got the cutout here for your double sink. Of course, you got your views while you're doing your dishes out to your land. Again, built by the Amish. We ship them nationwide. You got a spot here for your full-size range, and then you can put your hood vent on top. And look how pretty that is, y'all. Isn't that pretty? Built by the Amish. We ship them nationwide. So let me turn around here and give you the view of what all that looks like from a distance. Again, also, I'm always curious too where everybody's from that watches my channel. Do me a favor, comment below what country you're in or what city and state so I know where y'all are at. We're located in Scottsburg, Indiana. I live over in Kentucky, but I'm always so curious who's watching my channel. So where y'all are located geographically. So comment where y'all are at. What city, state, what country. I'm always so curious where everybody who is watching my channel is located.